What you want me to say?
We're in the kitchen today. We're going to make Charlie's famous chili.
Charlie's famous chili?
Yep. He's won first place prizes for it, so we're going to show y'all how to make it.
It's our way of making Texas chili, y'all. No big deal.
About 2 pounds of ground chili meat.
Since it's just me and her, it's just 2 pounds. I'll brown that up a little bit. We also got the chopped jalapeno, the chopped bell pepper, 1.5 onions, and big clove. It's elephant ear garlic's what that is. Then I got a small can of tomato sauce, Rotel tomatoes, and a can of stewed tomatoes, chili powders, cumin, salt and pepper, and that's what goes in my chili. No, that's not all that goes in my chili. She didn't get the other ingredient out, like little brown sugar.
No, that's supposed to be the secret ingredient. We're not supposed to give that away. Yeah, we entered his chili into a couple of contests, well, a few contests, and he's won first place in all of the chili contests. So I have to say it's his famous chili because it surely ain't mine. Because I don't have one.
And I don't have no measurements for ingredients, so we'll have to measure as we put in there. I usually measure by taste.
Yes.
So we'll have to measure it as we go. 2 pounds of meat so far.
Yeah. And it depends on if you want crackers with it or rice. I like rice with mine. He likes crackers, so I have my rice already on.
Sounds Yankee to me.
Says the guy that eats gumbo with potato salad.
This the dark brown sugar?
Yes.
Don't look too dark.
Yes, it is.
Okay. That'll be last anyway. Now get it hot.
And we got a little cranky butt in there.
They can't hear, I don't think. Well, why don't you tell them about the giveaway?
Oh, yes. Once we reach 100 likes, I don't like facing the camera. Once we reach 100 likes on our YouTube page, we will be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card along with a basket of candied jalapenos with 3 other pepper jellies. So we'll have a drawing. So if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please go over there and subscribe, like, ring that bell so you can get more notifications of what's going on at our house.
Did we tell them this was ground chili meat?
Yes, we did.
Okay. I've never seen it this course.
So just make sure you go over there and hit the subscribe button.
Go check your Bree. The baby's crying, so you gotta go check on her. Anyway, I'm trying to get this meat browned. A lot of water coming out of it, so I had to drain it. Well, I'm gonna throw about half of them onions that I told you about. We chopped up 1.5 onions, so I'm gonna throw about half of it in there right now. and half of the bell pepper. And all of this chopped up jalapeno. And about half of this garlic. That's a big old garlic. What is that?
It's onion, cut it.
What's wrong with it like that? It'll cook down.
Cut in half. Okay.
It's gonna get a finger on with it.
Get that all good and stirred. Yummy, yummy. Smelling good.
It's almost there. I need to find that colander.
It's right in there. I've been wanting chili for a little while now, and since it's starting to get fall, good time for it. Still not cold enough, but it's still good.
That's alright. When it gets colder, we'll make gumbo.
Yes. With his
Then some
potato
more
salad.
chili. Gumbo and potato salad.
It's so weird. How many of y'all actually have tried gumbo with potato salad?
That's
You pour your gumbo over your potato salad.
or you can do it separately. There's a lot of Cajun people eats potato salad and gumbo. That's who told me that. Was a Cajun person. Gonna pour that on.
Yep. Alright, we're gonna pour the grease off of the meat. Give it to him so he can do that. Then we'll bring it right back over here to cook.
Open that tomato sauce.
Go ahead and pour it in. You want the rotel in there too?
Put the pot on the stove, then pour it. So they can see.
Okay, I just poured in the small can of tomato sauce. So now I'm going to pour in, you want me to do the rotel and the tomatoes too? So now I'm going to pour in the diced tomatoes, or half tomatoes, sorry, stewed tomatoes, and the rotel. Give that a good stir. He's still draining the meat.
A lot of water in that meat.
now we're going to put in the meat. Okay. This is going to be a double joint effort in making this chili. Let me go take.
Hey, go take care of the baby again. A tablespoon. Quarter teaspoon. Okay. I'm going to start with a teaspoon of salt. Probably going to take more, but we'll check it after it cooks for a while. Whoop. That's a teaspoon of salt. Yep, teaspoon. Now I'm going to put the rest of the onion, bell pepper, and garlic in it.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
We gotta get some of them measuring bowls that the professionals use. I don't think so. Maybe a wider knife. Alright, I got the salt.
You already added that?
Yep, I already
Okay.
had the salt. Put all the vegetables in. Now we're going to start with the chili powder. It's going to take a lot. This is one, that's a teaspoon. So here's a tablespoon. Need a tablespoon. Add one. Oh, and 1.5. Two and a half. See if I can get a half in there. Three tablespoons to start. Now my cumin, which is brand new, not opened yet.
Sorry, I should have opened it.
This stuff never opens right. I'm only going to put 1 tablespoon of this right now. If it don't just suddenly pour. One tablespoon of cumin. And this spoon,
Yes.
3/4 cup.
Should be a whole cup. Yeah.
Oh, 1 cup. I'll stop it
Yeah. Two cups.
2 cups.
Two cups.
3 cups of water. 1 whole jalapeno.
All right, bring it to a simmer.
Oh, we're gonna turn the fire down, let it simmer probably about 45 minutes to an hour. Then we'll let it cool down for a little while. Then we'll come back and taste it and see if it needs more ingredients. So stay tuned, y'all.
Be back.
Well, we're back, and there's a couple of ingredients that I forgot about. Was a teaspoon of paprika and a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. You have to be careful with that stuff. Add it as you like. Anything that I put in this chili, add the taste. So I'm done. Oh, I just forgot about another thing. I did add a thickener. I used, what was it?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch to thicken it. You can use cornstarch or masa to thicken it a little bit if it's too juicy. So look that up. You know, I didn't use, but I think 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to a little bit of water, and that thickened it right up. So, time for the taste test. I always get this camera mixed up. I move the wrong way to get in the camera. And we see little Autumn's here. Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Oh well. And Brandy likes rice in hers. I'm just old-fashioned cracker guy myself. But we're gonna taste this. Do a hot. How much brown sugar I put in that, Walker? 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I forgot about that too. That kind of evens it out. If it's too harsh, the brown sugar mellow it out a little bit. So
It's very good.
it's great as usual. Oh, come here, Adam. Let's tell them bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Say, y'all subscribe. Say, ring the bell. And
Share.
we'll share and we'll make some more videos for you. Huh? Woo! Woohoo! Well,
Thank you. From our home to your home, be safe, be blessed.
we love y'all. We'll see you on the next video.
Next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.